Welcome back. Today we will be looking at how to use the map function to render a list of items. We often use map to convert an array of data into a list of elements that can be rendered on the screen. So let's dive in. We start by declaring an array with some string elements, text1 to text5. Let's copy that and duplicate. Three, text4, text5. All right. We can get the array, my array dot map, if you log this, you can check that on the terminal. We can comment this and we can create our component. And now we can return this component in the map. And we can place our element here. This method iterates over my array, and for each element, it returns a text component displaying the element itself. Let's add the index. Notice how we use the key prop on our text component, setting it to the index of the current element. As a result, in our simulator, you can see text1, text2, and so on displayed neatly. This is a simple yet powerful pattern for rendering lists in React Native. Now we can use an object array as well. You can create some sample objects like this. Name and text. Add text. So you can get element dot name. You can add text as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.